All right, everybody. Good afternoon. Okay, test. The time goes very fast. Today is the week number 10. We still have 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then we are done. The semester is done, and it really fast. Maybe you young guys, you cannot imagine that, but we old guys, we always think about, wow, a semester is done, academic year is done, and I've been here for years. So many students, they came to the campus, they graduated, and left the campus. So I have the kind of feeling. Okay, and just remember, I appreciate your attendance for your work on the blogger. But my suggestion, you don't need to post your information on the line group. I will check maybe during the week 17 or week 15, maybe the time. And I will give you some comments. And maybe next week. So I apologize. In the past weeks, I have been busy for a lot of things I meant to do. I didn't spend enough time to read your blogger. I apologize for that. But as long as I survive through this weekend, it will be okay. Because it will be okay. Wow, it's really busy. And later, I will share more information about this. And today we are going to continue to focus on the topic of fat-soluble vitamins. And the first time we did something about the vitamin D, and we studied some materials about vitamin D. Today we are going to switch the topic that is vitamin E. And this time I will give you more free time to do more lab notes. And okay, let's go. Yeah, the test book is here. And today we are going to discuss the topic is about vitamin E in the group of the fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin. Here. Oh, okay, over here. Here, okay. The vitamin E functions and health benefits. Vitamin E occurs in 8 chemical forms. Okay. It occurs in 8 chemical forms, which tocopherol. Actually, in the beginning, when I was a college student, read this term as tocopherol. Actually, it's Chinese accent. In American accent, it has tocopherol. Your English is different accent, but I tried to mimic the accent from the U.S. But I'm not satisfied with my accent. Okay, and 8 chemicals, of which tocopherol appears to be the only form that is recognized to meet human requirements. Tocopherol as vitamin E's other constituents are fat-soluble and primarily responsible for protecting cell membrane against the lipid destruction caused by free radicals. As a student, our native language is maybe, for me, our native language. When I was at home, I speak with my grandma and my parents. We speak Taiwanese Taiwanese dialect. dialects. And there are at least 3 or 4 dialects in Taiwan. We speak the dialects. And if the person in Taiwan speaks only one dialect, he or she cannot communicate with the Taiwanese Mandarin, the official language in Taiwan. I heard about this story many, many times. For example, my advisor, I told you the story about that. Actually, I'm a short guy. My advisor is higher than me. He was born in German. Oh, come on. Maybe poor contact. 1 minute. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with this. Let me disconnect and reconnect this. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Be stable, please. Stable. Okay. Then my today, many groups and in past days, maybe 1 to 2 years, this. And I know sometimes learning Taiwanese Mandarin is difficult for you, especially you need to wake up. Come on, 好好黑。Oh, many places. Let me record this one, then I will report it to. Sorry, 1 minute, please. Sorry, I have a new adapter. Maybe I can use the new adapter. Sorry, I need to repair this. Sorry. Okay. God bless you. Okay. Okay. And okay, my conclusion is, in the future, if we want to, if you have chance to work here, and you want to get along with the Taiwanese more friendly, if you're learning the Taiwanese Mandarin, I suggest you consider learn a dialect here. But if the group has different dialect, you need to study. You need to take care about this study, then you will know how to learn it. But it's not a requirement. But if you want to get along with that, much better. Okay, move back here. Okay, and only one. Okay, test. Okay, only one. And now I have a question. Could you please search for what are those 8 chemical forms? Could you please search for what are the other chemical forms here? And actually, there are 2 kinds of one. Just give you a hint. Different series, and there are 2. Okay, the second one. Maybe okay, not it's synthesized. Okay, it's synthesized by the human, and also kinds. Only one kind with the maximum efficiency for this time. I will try the 1 minute research for this one. The structures and 8. Okay, please use your check it and write it as your lab notes. Later I will tell you about this. First question, textbook, it says there are 8 chemical forms, and of which the top one that is about coverall is the only firm that is recognized to meet human requirements. And I will ask you what are the other 4, just so you alpha, beta, gamma, delta, like this. And please check that I highly encourage you can use Wikipedia. Because first one, that is open licensed. Second one, Wikipedia is friendly. Third one, most of the contents from Wikipedia, they are based academic resources, academic articles. So in some kind of view, they are reliable. Now, meanwhile, you can write it down as your lab notes. Yes. Okay? Okay, let me show you. And okay, and here is the structure. Here is the structure of the vitamin E. Actually, vitamin E is a group. It's not only one member. It has we call oh, okay. Alpha to coverall, beta, gamma, okay, and delta, and different form, and this is the form. The difference of this one, the structural difference. yeah, you're right, you're right. So there are many. It's not a pure compound. It's a family. It has many members in the group, and only this one alpha. We love alpha. Alpha is our favorite. Isomers, right? Isomers. One, two, three, four. This is here. And one more question. For example, vitamin E is very common to be used as antioxidant in oil. Again, vitamin E is very as antioxidant in oil because it's oil soluble, very soluble. For that, scientists or engineers they synthesize this vitamin E through the chemical waste, and there are isomers. They look very similar, but a little different. One methyl group, two methyl group, three methyl groups, and for those three, who only choose this one has less than one carbon from the first one. This one, the same accent of one carbon from the first one. This one accent of two, and two. Composition is the same. Okay. How many carbons in one? How many carbons in one? Okay. Actually, for synthesize of vitamin E, three citric center. I have a bag here. The bag is from there to three. And if I have stick here, can you see this stick is closer to you? Another stick here far away from you. Can you see that? And this one, you see. Away from you, like this one. Can you imagine that? Surely it's not important. When you are a chemistry student or you work in a chemistry, you need to imagine that you need to the concept of this. Okay. isomers. Get it? Get it? Okay, 2 minutes. Now this is you. This one structure is not important. Why Wikipedia? Because you can see the structure and you can see the reference. The reference because the reference here, references is the most valuable part of Wikipedia. Why? Because generally it's cited using the citation from reliable sources. Again, if you any student here successfully studied anyone? Okay. Is anyone successfully installing stereo molecule on your side? Okay. There are many kinds of here about the couple. You see it? This part is this. Oxygen is always in a red color. In a red color oxygen, the hydroxyl group hydrogen, and here's another oxygen here, oxygen atom here. That is a part of the ring, the sixth member ring here. And the other part about this, I know it's ugly for you, but I cannot show you. I need to show this. And on the other side, you can do this towards image and copy the here. You can set the width and height of maybe 500 pixels is too big. You need to, you can downsize it. Maybe height 300 is too big. You can change it to maybe 250 as you like. Then you can copy this one. This one. I have many hyphens here and switch the editing model to the HTML model and copy and paste, then go back to editing model. Okay, looks okay and done. Okay. interesting. In the future, you have chance to study the chemistry, and you can use this structure to accelerate your learning. Okay, let's come back here. Okay. Let's review the first sentence. Vitamin occurs in 8 chemical forms, and I show you from the Wikipedia. Very common alphabet gamma. There are 4 forms, and I emphasize one thing: it's impossible for us to buy the pure compound, the vitamin from natural synthesized, not artificial synthesized. Oh, sorry, a minute. And I emphasize one thing: chemical scientists, they can synthesize the alpha tocopherol, but according to the reaction, it will be 8 isomers. 8 isomers, and 8 isomers has different function. Has different efficacy for human activity, and only one kind. Remember, all of them are called alpha tocopherol, but they have 8 brothers and sisters. Again, they have 8